All right, everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our Road to 1,000 Leads a Day with AI. Today, we're diving into OnlineJobs, a platform dedicated to outsourcing to the Philippines. Check the link below for a special account offer. They also have an affiliate program. If you're interested in promoting online jobs, let's delve into what OnlineJobs offers and how it can benefit you. Next up, I'll show you how to get set up with this platform. The reason I want to discuss this is because many of us simply don't have the time to create and post videos on social media all day. I certainly don't. Personally, I manage a team of about 10 individuals based in the Philippines who handle various tasks for me. They take care of everything from video editing to app development, software coding, and customer support. I currently pay around $10,000 to $20,000 per month for my entire team, which consists of over 10 people. However, when you hire someone individually, you don't need to invest that much. You can start by hiring someone for about $4 per hour. For instance, 40 hours of work would amount to $160. With 40 hours, you'd be amazed at how much can be accomplished. Handling emails, various tasks, almost anything you need. Let's proceed with finding someone to assist you with this. To begin, click on the link provided in the description. Once you're on the website, navigate to the section where you can search for talent. Start by typing in VA, which stands for Virtual Assistant. You'll find a variety of individuals available for hire. For example, one person may charge $5 per hour, another $5.70, and so on. We can apply filters to refine our search. For instance, if someone is charging $3 per hour, we can specify additional criteria, such as availability for 40 hours per week, an hourly salary range of $2 to $6, and a proof score to verify their identity. Scores range from 0 to 99, with 99 being the highest. This score is based on various data points to ensure the person is genuine and not misrepresenting themselves. It's designed to help employers verify the authenticity of the individuals they're considering hiring. Ideally, you'd want someone with a high proof score. Personally, I gauge the people I work with based on how well they perform the tasks I assign them. Typically, I message several individuals and ask them to complete a simple task. If they perform it well, then I proceed to hire them for a longer duration, such as a week or two, to handle more substantial projects. I prefer not to rely on just one person. Instead, I often hire multiple individuals to diversify and ensure flexibility in my team. All right, so here's how you can refine your search. You'll find people available for different hourly rates, such as $3.60, $5, and $6 per hour. Now, you might be wondering what tasks you could delegate. I suggest starting with essential tasks like customer support. This is crucial for me and something I always prioritize paying for. Customer support is absolutely essential, regardless of anything else. While tasks like video editing may vary in importance depending on your needs, having reliable customer support is non-negotiable. As you create content, engage in email marketing, or attract people to your community, you'll inevitably receive inquiries. Initially, you might manage these questions yourself, but as your audience grows, it becomes crucial to have someone dedicated to handling customer queries promptly and professionally. As your workload grows, it becomes impossible to manage everything alone. That's why I strongly recommend hiring someone to handle email responses and help manage comments. This includes engaging with people who comment on your videos or participate in your groups. As your audience expands, having someone dedicated to interacting with these individuals becomes crucial. Customer support is indeed critical because it allows you the freedom to take time off without worrying about unanswered emails or comments. When someone handles these interactions for you, whether it's addressing product concerns via email or responding to comments in your videos or group, it ensures that your audience feels heard and valued consistently. This proactive approach to customer support is vital for maintaining a positive reputation and fostering trust with your community. When people hire a virtual assistant, they often wonder why tasks aren't always completed correctly. It's important to remember that training and feedback are crucial. Similar to any team member, I don't expect my virtual assistants to get everything right immediately. I provide ongoing guidance and corrections to help them improve. For communication and collaboration, I use Discord, which allows me to demonstrate tasks visually and provide direct feedback in real time. This approach helps streamline training and ensures tasks are performed more effectively over time. By using Discord to communicate with your virtual assistants and providing them with templates and specific instructions, you're effectively guiding them through tasks. Offering feedback, like noting a missing comma in a number, helps them learn and improve for future assignments. This iterative process not only corrects mistakes, but also ensures they understand your expectations better over time, leading to more consistent and accurate work. This method of training and feedback in real time through Discord is excellent for ongoing improvement and efficiency in your team's tasks. Ideally, you want to find someone skilled in a specific area like customer support or video editing. Once you've identified a candidate, use Discord or another instant messaging platform to establish direct communication. This allows you to provide clear instructions and ongoing feedback to ensure tasks are completed to your satisfaction. Whether it's correcting mistakes or refining their approach, regular check-ins help them understand your expectations better. Over time, when you're ready, you can contact them directly through the platform or mark them as hired to begin working together effectively. Upgrading to a pro account, usually around $40 a month, allows you to reach out to multiple candidates simultaneously. When contacting them, you specify the task, such as customer support, and see how they respond to your initial queries and tasks. This method helps you gauge their responsiveness, communication skills, and ability to follow instructions from the start. It's a practical way to find the right fit for your team. Before making a final decision on hiring, it seems like you're using a platform that provides time tracking and screenshots to monitor your virtual assistant's activities. This feature allows you to view how long they've worked, and screenshots of their work progress throughout the week or month. For instance, you can click on the hours log to see detailed information and verify their productivity. This level of transparency and monitoring helps ensure that tasks are being completed efficiently and according to your expectations. It's a valuable tool for managing remote teams and ensuring accountability in their work. It sounds like you have a structured approach to compensating your team based on their experience and performance. Starting with an hourly rate allows you to adjust pay according to their job proficiency and tenure. New hires typically start with a lower rate, while experienced team members receive incremental raises to reflect their skills and contributions. Additionally, you mentioned consolidating your team under a unified payment system or method. This methodical approach not only incentivizes skill development and loyalty, but also ensures fair compensation aligned with their responsibilities and growth within your organization. You reward your team members not just with hourly wages, but also with bonuses, which you publicly announce in your group chat. This approach not only incentivizes individual performance, but also fosters a sense of teamwork and competition within the group. By making bonuses visible to everyone, you create a gamified environment where team members are motivated to excel and contribute positively to team goals. This can lead to increased productivity, collaboration, and overall satisfaction among your team members. By rewarding bonuses for achievements like surpassing 100,000 views on a video or for introducing innovative ideas, you encourage your team members to think creatively and contribute proactively to the growth and success of your projects. This not only motivates individuals to excel in their roles, but also cultivates a culture of continuous improvement and entrepreneurial thinking within your team. Acknowledging and rewarding such contributions publicly in your group chat reinforces the value of innovation and encourages others to follow suit, ultimately driving the overall performance and success of your team. That sounds like a great strategy for fostering a culture of innovation and initiative within your team. By publicly rewarding individuals who take initiative and innovate, whether it's developing new scripts or coming up with creative solutions, you're not only acknowledging their efforts, but also setting an example for others to follow. Even small bonuses, like $50, can have a significant impact by motivating team members to think outside the box and contribute ideas that drive the success of your projects. This approach encourages a dynamic and proactive team environment where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best ideas and efforts. You're emphasizing the effectiveness of paying slightly lower wages and supplementing them with bonuses as a way to reward and reinforce desired behaviors and outcomes. This approach not only provides financial recognition for specific achievements, but also creates a gamified environment where team members are motivated to excel and innovate in hopes of earning bonuses. By strategically using bonuses to highlight and encourage exemplary performance, you're fostering a culture of continuous improvement and initiative within your team. This can lead to increased productivity, creativity, and overall satisfaction among team members. Make sure you always provide bonuses for your hourly workers to incentivize and avoid demotivation from fixed wages alone. Additionally, you plan to review and potentially increase wages annually, with the next review scheduled for the upcoming month. Every 6 months, we conduct assessments to evaluate everyone's performance. If the team is excelling, we distribute bonuses and consider raises for those performing exceptionally. This approach ensures that high performers are rewarded with increased hourly rates, fostering motivation and recognizing effort. You can also use an affiliate link to earn a 40% lifetime commission from OnlineJobs. This means if you hire a virtual assistant, you could task them with promoting OnlineJobs through cold outreach, responding to emails and comments, or other methods. This way, any signups made through your affiliate link will earn you a commission for life. It's a great way to leverage your VA's skills while earning passive income from referrals. That's great to hear you've been able to earn commissions through the affiliate program with OnlineJobs. It sounds like you've had some success with 620 visits, resulting in 2 customers, 12 orders, and $355 in commissions. This income helps cover the costs associated with your OnlineJobs account. If anyone wants to explore OnlineJobs themselves, you're offering them the opportunity to use your affiliate link to sign up, which supports your efforts in creating content and sharing your experiences with the platform. I've developed a framework or system over time. These frameworks are not just templates, but rather a structured approach that I've refined through experience with tools and services like HighLevel, ShineFi, and OnlineJobs. My goal in this series is to share these frameworks so you can adapt and implement them for your own success. While templates are helpful, what I offer is a systematic method that you can customize and apply to various tools and services, enhancing your efficiency and effectiveness in your endeavors. Instead of continuously looking for new ideas or methods, I focus on identifying successful approaches and instructing the team to replicate them. This ongoing training strategy leverages proven tactics and content that already performs well elsewhere. It's about refining and scaling what works effectively, rather than constantly reinventing the wheel. This approach ensures efficiency and consistency in achieving desired outcomes across your projects and tasks. It seems like you're sharing a chat or conversation snippet related to HighLevel and possibly discussing changing email addresses to get a 30-day program. The mention of bonuses and incentives indicates there might be a discussion about program benefits or rewards associated with using HighLevel. If there's a specific aspect or question you'd like help with regarding HighLevel or incentives, feel free to let me know. You're discussing the use of HighLevel CRM and whether it's necessary for the specific functionalities it offers, such as importing email sequences and landing pages via snapshots, which are exclusive to HighLevel and won't work with other CRMs. This limitation might influence your decision to use HighLevel if you need these specific features. However, for general email sending and other CRM functionalities, other platforms could suffice, depending on your needs and setup preferences. It sounds like you're exploring different platforms for CRM and email marketing, including HighLevel, Flowdesk, Beehive, and ConvertKit. Flowdesk is appealing to you because of its user-friendly features and small size, prompting you to consider exploring it further. You also mentioned the frustration of being banned from another platform, and your intention to write reviews about your experiences, including potentially negative ones about Beehive and ConvertKit. Today's video is shorter than usual. I wanted to focus on the basics of setting up with OnlineJobs.ph. If hiring a virtual assistant isn't feasible for you right now financially, that's okay. You're not obligated to do so. Here's the link if you're interested. Also, I'll explain what happened with Beehive and ConvertKit in a future review, as they seem to have had similar issues. It's understandable if hiring a virtual assistant isn't feasible right now due to budget constraints. However, down the line, when your finances allow, consider investing in one. Starting with a CRM like HighLevel and then hiring a virtual assistant can be a strategic move. They can manage tools like Shiny, navigate HighLevel, and even leverage insights from this video series to support your business growth effectively. This approach helps streamline operations and optimize your resources as you scale. When I need something done, like setting up on OnlineJobs.ph or HighLevel, I simply tell my team to learn and handle it for me. I don't have time to figure out all the details myself, so they handle platforms, affiliate programs, and more, saving me valuable time. I tell them what needs to be learned and done, and they handle it. Having this support is invaluable because I can delegate tasks that I don't have time to learn or understand myself. I'll likely cover that in the next part. I prefer to take it one step at a time to avoid overwhelming anyone. Today's focus was on outsourcing, because I know many may feel overwhelmed by this series. It's important to highlight that if you find this daunting, outsourcing can simplify things significantly. I suggest hiring a virtual assistant to take on this challenge for you. They can set up your HighLevel account using the snapshots and bonuses from the first video. After watching the second video, they can create and edit your videos using Shiny and CapCut. This way, you delegate these tasks and streamline your progress without having to do everything yourself. When we cover the radar video next, you can have your virtual assistant set it up for you, providing extra help. Personally, if I could start over, hiring a virtual assistant would be one of my initial steps due to its efficiency. It's practical to delegate tasks at $4 an hour. If you can't generate at least $8 an hour online, it's a significant issue. Absolutely, charging $8 an hour for helping others with these tasks is feasible, and outsourcing them for $4 an hour leaves you with a $4 profit margin. It may not seem like much, But if you can't generate income with this setup, it's surprising. How many people here have a virtual assistant? Personally, I'd seriously consider getting one. Mark has a VA. To be honest, I outsource everything. Even in-person tasks. I have people help me with organizing, selling things I don't need, cleaning, basically everything at my house. I don't do anything except work on what's crucial for making money, like videos and emails. I outsource cooking, cleaning, and other tasks because every hour spent on non-essential activities reduces time for income-generating tasks. For instance, spending 3 hours cleaning or 2 hours on emails uses up valuable time that could be better spent. These are all tasks you can delegate to someone at a low cost. The key is not to be the person doing these tasks yourself. If you aim to earn $100 per hour, you need to focus on being a 100 per hour person. That means working efficiently on tasks that generate income. To earn $100 an hour, if you work 40 hours a week for 4 weeks a month, that totals $16,000 a month, or nearly $200,000 a year. To achieve this income level, you'd need to prioritize tasks that pay well and delegate others effectively. If you spend time on tasks that could be outsourced for $4 an hour, you're effectively reducing your effective hourly rate. For instance, if you're aiming to earn $100 per hour, but perform tasks that could be done for $4 an hour, you diminish your earnings potential. This underscores the importance of delegating such tasks to virtual assistants, robots, or AI to maintain your focus on high-value activities that justify your target hourly rate. Outsourcing something like being the face of a live stream or delivering a course wouldn't capture the unique qualities I bring to it. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize tasks that are irreplaceable and truly reflect my unique abilities. Focusing on what can't be bought or replicated. Outsourcing can be a double-edged sword. Sure, you might save a few bucks on cleaning, but what if the quality suffers and your income dips because of it? We're talking real money problems, not just avoiding chores. Trading time for tasks. Cleaning your house is a one-time effort. Until it gets dirty again, that 10 hours is gone forever, with no ongoing income. Trading time for assets. Creating a video or any other income-generating asset can take time up front, but if done well, it can keep earning you money even while you sleep. The magic happens when you outsource tasks that eat up your time and invest that time into building assets that generate recurring income. To budget effectively for using tools like Talk and others, start with free options. High Level offers a free 30-day trial, and our tool Shiffy is free for the first 24 hours. Initially, you don't need to pay for anything. Focus on generating leads and making sales first. Once you have some leads, then consider investing in paid tools. What you want to do is reinvest in your business. People often ask me, Chase, do you buy stocks? I tell them, no, I invest in Shiny LLC. I keep reinvesting in my business. Although I charge what might seem like a lot, I don't make much profit because I spend so much on maintaining and growing the business. If I stopped investing in growth, like developing the app or creating videos, the business would stagnate. I'm not the type to just put it on autopilot and take the profit. I believe in continuous investment to keep growing. I'm not the type of person who wants to make, say, $10K a month and then put everything on autopilot. If you start making money, I recommend investing in automation to keep growing. Even if you make $100,000 and it's pure profit without reinvesting, you'll still pay a lot in taxes. In my opinion, cash flow is the most important thing to invest in. Cash flow is something you can control. If I make $100K to $200K a month and reinvest much of it back into the business, I can keep growing the cash flow and reduce taxes since I'm not taking a lot of profit. I can take profit throughout the year to cover expenses and then reinvest more towards the end of the year to enhance cash flow. It's a kind of dance you have to do. Ideally, the goal isn't just to make a lot of money quickly, but to create a steady income stream over a long period, giving you control over your finances. Reinvesting is key, not only in your business, but also in yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully, you guys got some value from this. Leave a comment to let me know if you're interested in me continuing to do these. It keeps me motivated, especially since we're not getting an insane amount of views on these videos right now. Anytime you comment and say something nice, it helps me out. All the things I'm talking about are linked in the description. All the links have some sort of special deal or promo, so go grab them down below. Hopefully, I'll see you guys for part 4 on scheduling content with. Again, if you're enjoying this series, let me know, leave a comment, and we'll see you very soon. Till then, happy money making. See you guys next time. Bye.